Good morning children. Welcome back to the EVS class. So previous video we completed all the question and answers, no children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many question answers do you have? 5 question and answers, and along with that bits. So examination point of view, you should read the bits and again you read the 5 question and answers, children. Okay. Next we will revise about the sense organs once again. According to that, I will give some one home task to you. Okay, you should do it clearly. So today we are going to discuss about the sense organs, children. We are going to discuss about the sense organs. So how many sense organs do you have? 5 sense organs. How many? 5 sense organs. Sense organs. Okay, so what are the children? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay, so these are our 5 sense organs. What are the 5 sense organs? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Sense organs 5. We have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. Okay. So what purpose eyes are useful? To see. What is the function of eye, children? To see. What purpose ears are useful? To hear. To hear. What purpose nose is useful? To smell. To smell. Then what purpose tongue is useful? To taste. To taste and to talk. Then what purpose skin is useful? To touch, to feel. To touch and to feel. So eyes help us to see, ears help us to hear, nose help us to smell, tongue help us to taste, skin help us to feel. How many sense organs? 5. So when we take the eyes, no children? So eyes useful for to see the things. If any image is in front of our eyes, that image is printed in the eyes, and with the help of the nerves it is going to the brain, and again the brain is explaining what is that and passing orders to us. According to that we know it, what the thing it is. Okay. Next, ears. Ears also how? With the help any sound waves are there, no? When we are talking, then automatically the sound waves are traveling in the air and reaches your outer ear first, and again it is enter into the inner, with the help of the middle ear it is enter into the inner ear. Okay, so inner ear what is present? Eardrum is present, no? That eardrum vibrates, then the signals are sending to the brain. Okay, then automatically we can recognize that sound. Okay. Next, nose help us to smell. 2 holes are there, those are called nostrils. So in the nostrils air is present, it is acts like a natural filters. The germs and the dust is attaching here. Okay, then pure air is enter into the windpipe and reaches the lungs. Okay, tongue, taste purpose. Taste boards are present on the tongue and not only useful for tasting, and but also it is useful for to talk. Skin, what purpose skin is useful? To feel, to touch. Okay, to feel, to touch purpose. Then with the help of the skin we can touch the things and we can recognize what the thing it is. Okay, so how we can take care of our eyes? Take a distance while watching the TV, while watching play on the computer. Just take a distance. Wash your eyes regularly. Okay, frequently you should wash your eyes. Ears, don't hear the loud sound. Okay, if your eardrum damaged, you are unable to hear the sounds. Okay, so if any hard sound is coming, now what you do? You have to cover you have to put finger and close your ears. Nose, yes, how should take care of your nose? Okay, clean it. So after bath, so what we do? We just blow the first close one nostril and blow the air. Then it will be anything dust is there, no, automatically it comes out. Okay. Then close another nostril and then blow the air. Automatically we can clean the nose. Then take a small piece of cloth, put it into your nose and clean it. How can we tongue? While brushing with the help of the tongue cleaner, you should remove what is the plaque present on the tongue. Okay. Otherwise, germs will be settling on the tongue and other kind of diseases will come. Bad odor also coming, bad smell also coming while talking. So it is not good, no. So we have to clean our tongue. Then how can we take care of our skin? By bathing twice a day. Use the soap. Okay, with soap and clean water, lukewarm water. Not too hot, not too cold. Lukewarm water, with lukewarm water we should bath twice a day. Then automatically we can take care of our skin. By eating the vegetables and fruits also we can take care of our skin will glow. Okay. Next, I am giving a worksheet according to the sense organ. Okay. Home worksheet. Home worksheet. Okay. You can do it and send to your WhatsApp group. So what is that? Bit which sense organs will you use to describe the following. Okay. First one. The height of a building. The height of a building. So which sense organ do you use? Then you can write. Second one. The taste of a mango. The taste of a mango. Next. Third one. The texture. The texture of silk cloth. Next, the fragrance. The fragrance of a rose. Next, soulful music. Okay, so listen children. So this is the home task, today's home task. Okay, so what you should do? You should write in the rough notebook clearly. Okay, so what is that? Which sense organs will you use to describe the following? So what is first one? The height of a building. So which sense organ we can use to see that height of a building? You should write there. The height of a building. Second one, the taste of a mango. The taste of a mango. Which sense organ is using? Next, The texture of silk cloth. The texture of silk cloth. How you remember it? How you recognize it? The fragrance of a rose. How you know that? Which sense organ you are using? Then you should write there. Next, soulful music. How? Then you can write here 5 sense organs. These 5 bits belong to the 5 sense organs. So what are that? You should write. Okay. So write the date 18/9/20, day Friday, and you write the home task. What is that? Do given homework sheet. Do given homework sheet. Homework sheet. Okay. So this is your diary work, children. So what I said, just you copy it in your rough notebook. Okay, copy the same what I given on the board in the rough notebook. Clearly write the answers. Only sense organ, which sense organ is useful. Okay, so write it clearly here. Copy the question also. Don't write directly answers. So copy the question in the rough notebook. Write the which sense organ is using and send to your WhatsApp group. That's all for today, children. We will meet in the next class. Okay, bye. Take care of you.